So I've called the show Plant-Based Musical, basically because everything is plant-based these days, but it is literally a musical about plants.
I like to call it the secret life of plants. You know, it's sort of what's going on.
I think the messages that the show has about friendship and trust and being true to yourself and learning through adversity, it's just so applicable to day-to-day life.
So the sonic signature of the show is really at the intersection of 70s and 80s pop and disco. So that's why sometimes the songs themselves can worm their way into your head and stick there like nothing else.
It's just really exciting to be working on something original that's never been seen yet.
I think this production is very special because the way that it just collaborates with community and builds something so awesome from the ground up, and it just grew into this really cool project. I think what stands out to me about the creative team behind Plant-Based the Musical is just how fun everyone is. We're all so energetic and just ready to put on a show that's going to show everyone else what we're here for and show the artistic integrity of every single person.
It's incredibly important for Bendigo especially to be producing musical theatre or just theatre in general, but we actually have such a high calibre of talent when it comes to creating work, producing work, performing work. And so it'll be actually really good for people to actually see that in action.
Plant-Based Musical is a show that has something for everybody, from the smallest of people to the biggest of people.
Our project is based in Bendigo with local creatives, and we're putting on a show in Bendigo. I can't wait to share that with people, and I can't wait to see the life that this show takes as it gets put out there into the world.